What up, Dave's Roadies? Roadtrip Dave is coming at you from Epcot, and we are going to ride Test Track at night. We'll also get to hear and see just a little bit from the new fireworks show Harmonious during the ride. Epcot is an amazing place to experience at night, so I hope you enjoy it. I have given a full tour video of this ride during the daytime, which is in the link above. So as we enter, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the sights and sounds of the queue and the ride. One quick reminder, as we walk into this bay area, this is where you create and modify your experimental car to see its performance. You can store it on your Magic Band or Pass card. We will actually look at some cool extra things that you can do with your experimental car after the ride. Here at the ride gate is where you scan your pass card or Magic Band. Don't forget to do that before you board.
Hello. The seatbelt check is around the corner. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And please supervise children. Thank you. La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de la esquina. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track. We'll begin with a capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar. Simcar performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing Simcar off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Scanning Simcar for optimal control efficiency. Engaging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total environment impact. Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay. The responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated responsiveness data.
Wow.
Track performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance test. You'll be able to see how good you are.
As you can see, we actually closed the ride down, as there were no more people waiting for Test Track. The first thing you can do after exiting the ride is scan your band or card to see what your final score was on your vehicle. It's always a fun competition with the family. Next, you can check out some really cool cars and other vehicles from Chevrolet, like this slick Corvette. There are also booths nearby where you can create a digital advertisement for your experimental vehicle. Check out these two ads that my kids did.
Power is spreading your branches. Power is taking your place in the world and doing whatever comes naturally. Power by Chevrolet. Naturally.
By the way, my roadies, you know the drill. Chokeslam the like button, comment and share. Subscribe to my channel and click that bell. Follow me on other social media links in the description below. And if you ever want to support my channel, you can do that on PayPal. As we go through the gift shop, we got a little additional glimpse of Harmonious and the spectacular looking spaceship Earth at night. Enjoy. Make sure you check out some of my other videos from many different destinations. More videos are coming your way soon, my roadies. Until next time, laters.